In the fear of losing data from their old iPhone, various iOS users ask, how do I transfer from iPhone to iPhone? We are here to help you. In this video, we provide you with all the practical steps on how to set up new iPhone from old iPhone. Part 1. How to transfer data from old iPhone to new iPhone 15 with Quick Start. Turn on new iPhone 15. Place it near old iPhone. Tap Continue on prompt. Connect to Wi-Fi. Follow on screen steps till Quick Start. Scan animation with old iPhone camera to connect both phones. Enter old iPhone passcode on iPhone 15. Tap Transfer from iPhone, then Continue. Choose items to transfer. Keep both iPhones nearby and connected to power. Part 2. How to transfer data from one iPhone to another using iCloud Backup. Step 1. Backup iPhone to iCloud. On your old phone, go to Settings. Select the Your Name tab and choose iCloud Backup. Make sure the iCloud Backup button is toggled on and then tap Backup Now. Step 2. Restore data to iPhone 15. Turn on iPhone 15. Set up network, language, region. Select Restore from iCloud Backup. Pick Recent Backup. Follow on-screen guide to complete transfer. Part 3. How to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone 15 using iTunes Backup. Connect old iPhone to computer with cable. Ensure iTunes is installed. Wait for auto launch or tap iTunes icon. In iTunes, click Device, Summary. Choose Backup Now. Disconnect when backup is done. Power on iPhone 15. Set up network. Follow steps until apps and data. Choose Restore from iTunes Backup. Tap Next. Connect iPhone to computer. Open iTunes. Click Device. Then Restore Backup. Choose Desired Backup. Click Restore to complete transfer. Part 4. How to transfer iPhone to iPhone 15 with AirDrop. Position old iPhone and iPhone 15 nearby. Check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection on both. In Control Center, long press Wi-Fi icon. Choose Everyone for 10 minutes for smooth transfer. Choose Files on old iPhone. Tap Share. Select AirDrop. Pick iPhone 15. On iPhone 15, accept AirDrop notification. Repeat for more data transfer.